All right, we're pulling into the Cazenove equipment here in Watertown. My friend told me there's something really cool we've got to come up here and see. I'm going to try to keep it on the road. It's tucked back in here. A lot of inventory on the lot right now. I'm used to seeing nothing, but I guess things are starting to get back to normal. There's some choppers on the lot. Used hay mower. But this is what we're here for. Check this out. A Cat Challenger 35 set up with a Leon loader. Hard to find something much more rare than this. This is so cool to see. Oh man, let's go check it out. Check this out, guys. A Leon loader on a Cat Challenger 35. Leon custom made these loaders for the Cat Challengers to fit on there. The advantage is with a 2-track machine, you can pivot around. There's no backing up. You can spin right in place. This one actually has a dozer blade with it too. The dozer blade's actually a Leon blade made for this. So this is not your standard loader. It was custom made for the Cat Challenger. You can see the mounting brackets here. Caterpillar approved. And that mounts down. Really cool to see this in real life. I've seen pictures of these. There's even an article of them in the Farm Show magazine. So it's incredibly unique. Great for somebody who has like cattle out in an area that gets a little muddy or something. You want to go out and feed the cattle. Just awesome to see. Cat Challenger 35 is pretty cool just by itself. It's got these wide tracks on it. It's a smaller size. They made a Cat Challenger 35, 45, and 55. So it's neat to see the smallest one in the lineup. I would imagine these 35s would normally have more narrow tracks on them, but this one's got the wide tracks on it. It's definitely a goofy looking tractor. These were made in a partnership with New Holland. That's why the cab, if you notice, the cab is the same as like a New Holland Genesis. It is on the lot here at Cazenove Equipment, but I see it's marked with a J. Martin tag, so if you follow J. Martin Auctions, I bet this will be up for auction pretty soon there, so you could own this yourself.